Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off inverted camera on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings app. Go to the camera settings. Here you can see the mirror front camera option. Tap on the toggle switch right beside the mirror front camera option and turn it on. When the switch turns green, the mirror front camera option will be enabled and the inverted camera will be turned off. And this is how you can turn off inverted camera on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.